Hi everyone, I'm Jessica from UPDF. Today we're going to discuss how to edit your PDFs on Windows and Mac. As you might have heard, UPDF just released version 2.0, and it's packed with some exciting features that will make your PDF editing easier than ever and more powerful than it's ever been. The new update has a brand new look, a new logo, and loads of new features which make it easier to work with your documents smarter and faster. In this video, I'll show you how to use UPDF 2.0 to edit your PDFs on Windows and Mac. But before we jump into the details, make sure to download UPDF 2.0 by clicking on the link in the description below. Now, let's get started. Let's start off with text editing. UPDF 2.0 makes it easy to modify your PDF content, whether that is adding new text or modifying existing content. To get started, simply open your PDF with UPDF 2.0, then click Tools from the top right and select Edit. To edit the existing text in the PDF, you can click on any text you want to edit and add or remove the text you need. To add new text, click on the text icon at the top and click anywhere on the page and type. You can also customize your text style. Select the text and a toolbar will appear where you can change the font, color, alignment, or make the text bold, italic, or underlined. For more editing options, click the three horizontal dots to open the editing panel. Now you can adjust the text alignment, format, line spacing, paragraph spacing, character spacing, and more. Next up, let's talk about editing images in your PDF. This feature allows you to adjust existing images and also to add new images to your document. Just click your desired image. You will see a toolbar with many options to rotate, flip, crop, replace, extract, or delete the image. You can also click the three horizontal dots to get an expanded editing panel. From here, you can align the image to the left, vertical center, right, top, horizontal center, or bottom. You can also precisely adjust the image width and height. Below it, you also have the options to rotate or flip the image. Another thing you can do is crop images to a certain size. Click Crop Image and drag the cropping frame, or write the specific width and height you want and click Done. To extract image, you can choose to extract just the selected image or all images from the PDF. Similarly, you can replace or delete the image, and if your image has multiple layers, use Arrange Objects to set the right layer order. Whether you want to link to a website or to an existing page in your document, UPDF 2.0 makes it very easy to do this. Just click Insert and Edit Link on the top toolbar, then click anywhere on the page to place the link. Then type the URL in the box that appears. Next, click the three horizontal lines for border setting. A small pop-up will open with style options. Here you can choose how the link should look, like a solid box, a dotted outline, or just an underline. You can also link to specific pages in the PDF. For this, click Insert and Edit Link Page, and then click on the page where you want the link. In the pop-up, click Page Index Setting, choose the page you want to link to, and hit Done. With UPDF 2.0, you can easily add or change the background of your PDF to make it stand out. Click Tools and select Background. Then click Add Background and select the preset you like from Paper, Color, and Gradient styles. The editing panel will open on the right. Here you can select a color or click Use Image or PDF to upload your own background. You can also choose the background size, opacity, and the page range to apply it. When you're happy with it, click Done to apply the background. Now, if you want to add the same background to multiple PDFs, click the Home button to return to the main screen. Go to Tools and select Background. Upload all the PDF files you want to add the background to. Then click Create and set your background. You can adjust its color, size, opacity, or upload an image or PDF. When everything's set, click Save and then click on Apply to apply the backgrounds to all of the uploaded PDF files. Watermarks are great for adding branding or protection to your PDFs. With UPDF 2.0, you can add a watermark to one or multiple PDFs at once. With your PDF open, click Tools and select Watermark. Click Add Watermark and select a preset either for text or file-based watermarks. Let's say you want to add a text watermark. Once you have selected a preset, you can customize it. You can change the text, font, alignment, color, and choose between a single text layout or a grid. You can also rotate it, adjust the opacity, and set the page range where it appears. When you're done, click Done. To add watermarks to multiple PDFs at once, go back to the home screen, click Tools, then Watermark. Upload your files and click Create. Then select the watermark type and apply your settings. With UPDF 2.0, you can add page numbers, dates, text, or images as headers and footers, and you can customize them as you wish. Click Tools, select Header and Footer, and then click Add Header and Footer at the top. From here, you can select a preset style for page numbers, text, date, or an image. Let's say you want to add a page number to your PDF. Select your desired page number preset and edit its settings. Then, click the Format drop-down to select the numbering style you like. You can select the page format, start page, and number style. You also have several options for the layout. You can align the numbering to the left, center, or right for both the header and the footer. Moving down, you'll find the options to adjust the font style and page range to apply it. Then click Done. To add a header and footer to multiple PDFs, go to the Home interface, click Tools and select Header and Footer. Upload your files and click Create. Select whether you want to add a page number, text, date, or image. Once you select an option, you can customize it. For example, if you choose text, you can add any type of text you want and then adjust its position and font style. Then click Save, then Apply to apply it. If you work with legal or business documents, then Bates numbering is an essential feature. UPDF 2.0 makes it super easy to add this type of numbering. Just click Tools and select Bates numbering. Upload one file if you want to add the Bates numbering to one PDF, or you can upload multiple PDF files and then choose Create. This will open a settings window. From here, you can set the start number, number of digits, prefixes and suffixes. You can also adjust the margins and customize the font, size and color of the numbering. Click on Save and then Apply. Sometimes you might need to crop a page to remove unwanted margins or to resize the PDF. With UPDF 2.0, this is possible. Go to Tools and select Crop. Then simply drag the edges of the cropping frame to adjust the size. Then click Apply to crop, and if you need to revert it, just click Revert Changes. The right panel gives you many options for crop settings. Select Crop the Page box from the drop-down and select the width and height of the page you want to crop. You can also toggle on Constrain Proportions to fix the crop size and apply changes for preview. If you select Crop the Margins, you can define the distance from all four margins and crop them from the PDF pages. You can click Page Size from the top to change the page size if you need. Lastly, let's talk about splitting one page into several pages. You can customize the method on how to split one page using UPDF easily. Click Tools, then Split. You can click on the Split Pages button, then select the method you want to split with presets. Or you can choose the Grid Split or Exact Split, then customize the vertical and horizontal lines. When everything is done, click on Apply. And that's how to edit a PDF on Windows and Mac using UPDF 2.0. Remember, even though this tutorial was for Windows and Mac, UPDF is also available on iOS and Android. So why don't you download UPDF using the App Store or Google Play so you can edit your PDFs on the go. UPDF 2.0 has all the tools for you to edit your PDFs like a pro. So don't forget to hit the link in the description box below to download the most up-to-date version of UPDF so you can start editing your PDFs today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.